All right, guys, Big Rich here with Heil Fish Rescue, and there is a crowd outside my door. I don't know what's going on, but these people are going to explain it real quick. Like, go ahead and introduce yourselves.
Hi, I'm Steve, and this is Nikki, and we're from Professional Diving Resources, and we're bringing a little group of people along to check out the Ohio Fish Rescue.
So like a private tour type thing you guys set up in advance. Very nice. People don't know that you can do that, but you can do that. And I always tell everybody, set it up by appointment, you know, because everyone thinks that we're like a business, like a storefront. And we're in a residential area. We're not a storefront.
Absolutely. And remember, you got to park on the other side of the street.
Oh, yeah. All right, well, let's go on inside and see what we can get into.
All right, so you know you have your favorite host here. Sorry, Dad.
I'll grab the rim of the net and go.
Let me do this. I ain't got the air on the neck. These chicken breasts will help.
Are you done yet? Okay, we got Reaper making his video, and everybody's making their progression through the place. Okay, everybody's getting set up and getting their suits on and getting their tank set up and getting ready to go in.
Maybe I'll just wear my shark skin. Take the cover off and put it back on.
Oh, an easy way of getting in is just sitting down on the edge and then walking on the steps.
I'm waiting to see if he gets eaten first. But she's terrified. She thinks the guard is going to get her. That guard is interested too with him. He's like,
Just don't get in that way. I'm kidding.
Actually, the water isn't, it's not bad. It's not bad.
Well, I didn't want to call you guys and tell you to wait till next Sunday because we had that accident here yesterday and the water got ice cold. We had to fix the heater and everything.
Some of these guys are interested.
Okay.
Yeah, Seth's standing over there wishing he would have dove today. I don't need this foot. I don't need this foot. I'm just going to move faster with him.
There you go.
And they're diving. Now give me a little bucket. Actually, we can probably use that. That's empty. Yeah, I just want him to grab gravel from down there and fill these cracks back in. That one's got a hole in it.
These are catchers.
I know, I already did it.
A bucket, a pitcher, anything. I got my brand new GoPro 10 Black. It says it's good for 30 feet underwater. It was underwater about 2 foot, and now the front screen's got lines all over it. No. It says it's good for water up to 30 foot without the case.
Yeah, I never took mine without a case. I had mine down 100 feet.
Well, you got to have a case then.
She's got my camera, you put an iPhone in it, and you close it up, and it just floats any iPhone or Android. Oh, that big fish is going to check her feet out, it's right behind her, she has no clue. You see that, Don? Yeah. Oh, he just heard, he was on her. That fish was like, yeah, buddy. And she's taking pictures down there right now. She has no idea.
See how many cichlids are around that center thing of wood? I don't know if you really see it, but you look through the camera, you can see all the cichlids in there. See right there?
Yeah. They got a whole school down there. Look at them.
Uh-huh.
Coming out there.
There's a paroon shark. Paroon shark.
Paroon?
Yeah,
Why that?
that's the name of it. Oh, there's the big alligator gar. See him right here? He's checking out the beeb.
What do you got floating on the surface there?
Plants?
In that jar.
Oh, I think it's charcoal. Just it was on the edge to hold that thing from falling in, and somebody pushed the whole thing in.
He's got to run the tank.
No, actually, the tank boss is that big catfish that was up here. That's the 2 paroon sharks there. 3. Oh, there he is in this corner over here. The big catfish. Perfect. Thank you. Now, when they're down there, I'll put them to work.
The catfish we just drank, he'll be in here.
I don't know. I haven't seen it. Don't know what it is. Don't know anything.
He's
A redtail?
about, 2.5 feet.
All these in here were people's like named pets and stuff like that. He'll probably go to a public aquarium, so he'll go into this 3,000 gallon with all these catfish, and when this gets packed full, then we call all the aquariums and see who's interested, who needs fish, and then they'll come pick them up.
Cool.
And then I can let you know, what public aquarium it went to.
This was like you're having a good time too.
Oh yeah. Anything rare, they always want.
Considered a rare fish.
Something you don't see every day, like I don't know if they had arapaima and they lost them from old age. Now they need new large arapaima.
Pacu, big one.
No, they don't want pacus at all. There's too many of them out there. I have to make the public aquariums take pacu in a package deal.
Yeah, I got one now.
And we got third diver getting ready to get in. They're over there doing something together. Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Or she's trying to show him. No, he stopped by there and I'm trying to take a picture of her.
Okay.
There's information in here too, those cards.
Okay. Thanks, bud.
This is that would be cool to try.
You got that spare air thing. It gives you 15 minutes underwater. You fill it up with this one right here.
This looks so awesome to see another natural. This looks like a natural habitat than it is.
The largest one in here.
Yeah, he looks like a dinosaur.
Real large.
I got him next
This is Buddha down here.
Yeah.
Buddha diver.
So, is this? Are you like real friendly with this guy?
Who?
The one you're calling Buddha.
Oh, Milo? I mean,
Okay, because he's going to see on the video you calling him Buddha.
it's all right.
Okay. Just checking.
I wouldn't have said it if I was not willing for him to hear it. I did get a picture of whatever this like gigundous fish is
That's the arapaima, yeah.
and the diver. Just, I have a friend out in New Mexico who has tanks, but her tanks are like home-size tanks.
Right.
So I've been sending her some pictures and telling her about it.
So you're the first to pull out?
I am. I'm starting to shiver. It was really awesome though, thank you.
Did you see any of the babies coming out from under the rocks and stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're everywhere under there.
And there were two big ones that were sleeping together underneath the center.
Ah. Oh, we got another guy went in. So we got 3 people left.
What do you want us to keep all the wet? Does he want us to like keep all the, you want us to keep all like the wet stuff right here?
What do you mean?
We don't want to turn all this wet over there.
Okay, we got,
It's really pretty.
yeah, it's pink on his tail. We got a diver here, we got a diver over there, and we got this guy hiding under the plants. I don't know what he's doing over there.
This is
Premiere?
It's not the night it comes out, but 2 days after. It's a Sunday night. 3D, XD. And it's Avatar, it's the way of the water, so it's underwater. Yeah.
All right. Well, I take care.
I did.
Got your land legs back yet? He was wobbling at first there. There is a metal pole to your right, too.
You're right, not your left.
He's got it.
Thanks for answering my message and letting us come out.
Oh, not a problem.
I seen you up that night. I was up, I was like, let's schedule this thing.
I'm up
finally.
every night because of Tracy, and all night long I watch her.
How's she doing?
She's doing good. She actually, just this morning. Okay, guys, how was it under there?
It's great. Fish are sweet. There's so much to see down there. It's a wonderful collection.
I seen you sitting down there for like ever in one spot. What were you doing?
Yeah, looking all around. I just taking it all in. So many kinds of fish down there you could see. And the big one are really cool, but what fascinated me the most was the small ones. How they run around and play with each other, and they pick up pebbles or food, and
And they're
spin
not
at each
scared of
other.
them big ones.
No, not at all. Yeah, they were great. It's a great time.
Awesome.
Yeah, the more still we sat down there, the closer the big ones would get. They come all around us.
Yeah, yeah. Cool, cool. I'm glad you guys liked it.
Yeah, it
Yeah,
was
thanks for
amazing.
having us.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So now you guys see that companies can, set up an appointment to come out here and spend, the day and hang out and be private tour. Give us a call if you're interested. And hope you guys liked the video and seeing people interact with the fish. You know, it's kind of boring just watching from up top. I know, I get it, but you know, if I could have got some of their footage on their cameras, that would have been nice. But I did the best I could, and you know, hope you guys liked it. And, you know, we're trying to show effort in making things better for you guys and more interesting. So hit that like and notification bell, and of course, stay fishy, my friends.